Heart to Art, a reading and art summer program with Miss Maura, a partnership with the Field Library. I hope you enjoyed making this craft today. If you missed the story on Monday, go back, watch that video first, and then come back and make the craft. All right, have fun. Today, we will be creating a paper plate Pout-Pout fish. On Monday, we read the story, The Pout-Pout Fish and the Mad, Mad Day. These are the supplies you will need to create your paper plate Pout-Pout fish. You will need 4 paper plates. You'll need paint to paint your Pout-Pout fish. I chose the color blue. Need a paintbrush or a paint sponge. Need a pair of scissors. Make sure you ask an adult before you use scissors. You will need some glue. And you will need a marker, something to color with. These are the steps to create your paper plate Pout-Pout fish. Put 1 plate aside that you're not going to cut because this is going to be the face for the Pout-Pout fish. You are going to cut out this type of half moon shape, and this will be the tail of the fish. You are going to cut out 6 of these shapes for his fins. And don't worry, they do not have to be perfect. Then you are going to cut out his hair. So you're going to cut out 3 more shapes that look like this. The next thing you're going to do is you are going to paint all the paper plate pieces. Desmond chose to paint them all blue, but you can choose whatever color you want. Next, you have to draw 2 eyes. I chose to use a small cup because it helped me make a perfect circle. Then you are going to cut out the circles for the eyes. If you need help from an adult, make sure you ask. The next thing you have to do is cut out a mouth. I just used the edge of the plate. And you are going to take your marker and you're going to draw 2 black dots inside of the circles for the eyes. You can put details for the mouth as well. Next, you are going to glue on the eyes and the mouth to the paper plate. Next, you can glue on the 3 pieces you cut out for his hair. Next, you can glue on his tail. And his fins, 3 on each side. You guys did a great job creating your Pout-Pout fish. Remember, we all have bad days and we all get upset sometimes, but we have to remember ways that we know that will help relax us and calm us down, like taking deep breaths and talking about how you're feeling. How you feel is important, and you are important. See you next Monday for our last story of the summer.